Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I did a live video a while ago on a cool discovery I found with my all-in-one almond tree. As you can see, the almond tree is full of almonds. Can't wait. I've already eaten fresh green almonds and now I'm waiting for these to produce the delicious roasted almonds I will create with this. Every year around this time, beginning middle of spring, I will have root suckering from this rootstock of the All-in-One Almond. As you can see, there's one right here, about 1.5 feet away from the tree trunk. So what happened last week is I removed something like this in this vicinity. It probably was this and now it grew back, to be honest. Then it's not uncommon to go out a little bit more and find another one. So this is about 8 feet away from the tree trunk, this and this one, and that's a rootstock of that almond. And I went, wow, that's pretty far. And then I looked to my right and I saw another one, large. This sucker growth is approximately 12 feet away from that almond tree, and the leaves match the root sucker growth of the close one near the almond tree. So like many of you heard, roots don't go past the drip line, and what the drip line is the outer edge of the leaves. So the outer edge of this almond is right here. So if you go down, that's about 3 feet to 4 feet away from the trunk, and that's what conventionally is said to be the farthest the roots may go, or they may go a little past that but not that much. Well, I'm having thick root sucker growth 12 feet away. So there's the root sucker right here. That's 12 feet away. And look how large it is. It's about 3.5 feet tall. Imagine 12 feet away radius from this almond tree spanning this whole area. Just imagine 12 feet of roots around this tree. That's most likely the reason why I don't have to water as much as I do. I always wondered, was it just simply the wood chips or were the roots growing immensely? It looks like it was both. I've never had root sucker growth that far. And this root sucker is, like I said, a thick root sucker. So I'm assuming roots are even going farther than that. So we could contemplate 12 to 15 feet of roots from this almond tree. Alright everyone, happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching everyone.